Welcome to this quick and helpful guide. In today's video, we'll show you step by step how to disable notifications in the Netflix app on your Android phone. Whether you're tired of constant alerts or just want peace and quiet while using your device, this method will solve the problem. First, open the Netflix app on your Android phone. Tap My Netflix at the bottom right of the screen to open your profile tab. Now, tap the three lines at the top right corner to access the menu. From the menu, tap on App Settings to open the Settings panel. Now look for the Allow Notifications option inside the settings. Turn this toggle off, then your phone's settings will open. Turn off notifications again to stop all alerts from Netflix. That's it! You've now successfully turned off all Netflix notifications on your Android phone. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials.